If you care about your health, then our Healthcare Congress is for you. Our annual International Integrative Healthcare and Holistic Iridology Congress is a unique, world-class educational experience, educating healthcare professionals globally. The Congress was conceived by and is produced by Professor David J. Pesek, Ph.D. Attend our Congress and experience the energy. David Pesek is a passionate visionary who is at the forefront of the natural holistic healthcare movement for nearly 50 years. Dr. Pesek brings leading-edge lecturers with information and technologies from around the world to share at our Congress. Attend, learn, enjoy. When love and wisdom unite, expect a masterpiece. Visit iridologycollege.org/Congress for more information and to register. Visit iridologycollege.org/Congress for more information and to register.